Hello, it's Mama Mo, and today we are going to make a watermelon basket. A long time ago, my mom taught me how to make a basket out of a watermelon, and I enjoy doing it. So let me show you how to make the treat for your family. Of course, you will need a watermelon, and you can choose any size. Knock knock. Do you know if this watermelon is sweet? I don't, but anyway, I just believe what they say in the grocery. It said sweet and seedless. Try to choose one that can stand. This one is a bit wobbly actually. So I just took out a very small piece and now it's not wobbling. So I get a marker just to guide me. You don't have to do this. You can eyeball it. So where the hole is, I would put this thick of a handle. And about halfway up the basket, that is how deep I want the basket to be. Do it again on the other side. There you go. I like using a smaller knife just because I'm scared to cut myself. Cut along the lines that you made, and you can always go back if you're not cutting that deep yet. Let's see if this is really a seedless watermelon as they say. Okay, well, not entirely. It still has white seeds on it, but I guess they meant it didn't have any black seeds, right? It's nice to be guided by the marker because then you don't accidentally cut too high or too low. This is what our watermelon looks like right now. And this part is going to be our handle, so I have to take out that. I have to push it out. Whoops. Okay, so it came out. So now there's a hole. You can take out the fruit that's inside. You can scoop it out or just again, use the knife to take it out bit by bit. You can scoop out the meat of the watermelon by making it into balls like this. And if you have a cookie cutter, make little flower watermelons. The main purpose is to just cut them so that they are bite-sized and easy for anyone to eat it. Meanwhile, here's our basket. So if you wanted to add more decoration to your basket, you can also do like diagonal slicing here, and that's what I'm going to do. You can either have just a smooth side, or if you want to be a little bit more fancy, you can just add this jagged edge. Okay, so I finished doing all around the watermelon. So here is our basket. All we need to do now is put back the fruit inside. So it doesn't really matter how you cut up the watermelon. It's up to you. And you can even add other fruits to this. If you have strawberries, blueberries, put them all and make a little fruit basket. Remember my watermelon flower? Maybe we can put it somewhere here in the front. Okay. So just very simple thing to do, but it's fun. I hope you like our little project today. Here's to summer. Thank you for watching.